Hello again. So, how I said, I will show you the total budget in Slovak Republic for old age pension. Yeah. Here in the total budget, I will show you with a simple way all the system of money. I'll put to your personal account money which you can get per month. For example, old age pension in Slovakia is a pension. Really, for me, yes, my opinion, poor pension. About 334 euro and 30 cents. But you must work 30 years for the pension per month. This is minimal, yeah? I think the state wants to have many poor people homeless without money and properties. No self-sufficient. Every politician wants to say that he has spending only 150 to food or have to pay only 150 euro per month. No, this is probably joke from their side. So this is a really low pension for life. When you check pension in another country like in Germany, Austria, Netherlands, then you will see an astronomically different contrast. The average net pension for all types of pension in Germany as of 2019 year is about 870 euro and 90 cents. Okay, now this is monthly pension after 30 years, yes, minimum. Then you have to pay rent, 150. Then you have to pay electricity. This is about 25 euro per month. Yes, about. This is cash outflows and cash income, yeah, expenditures. Then you have to pay gas. This is about 7 euro 50 cent. Direct debit is internet or TV. This is about 70, maybe 15, maybe 20, yeah, but now 17 euro. Concessionary charge per month in Slovakia is 4 euro 64 cent. Then waste per month is 250, yeah, per month. And food, but yeah, then I have to put food. This is about 150 euro. Yeah, because people are hungry. People must to eat. This what I said about the politician people. Then you have to, if you are old age pension, you have about bank charges about 2 euros. Together, you have to pay 360 euro 64 cents. Yes. Then you can see you are in minus 26 euro. In minus. The old, the old, the old people, old age patient. How can they live? What food? What about maybe? Okay, maybe they can spend a lot of money for another things, yes, or food. They are, they work all life and then they get only this pension after 30 years, yeah. Sorry, but I must be silent. Yeah, this is sorry. I must be silent. What I wanted to say that the money, the minus, the many people can be much more poor how you can see in the television. Yeah, it's critical. It's crazy. It's really crazy for me. Okay, about planning, household, farm, but the total budget. Now, see you later. Check my YouTube RH. Yes, RH. And I wish you I wish you smile. Thanks for watching and see you later.